exercise is called jackwalks. It's 3 different levels, so let's get to it. Level 1, you're gonna come up onto the line in exposure. You can be close to the anchor point or in the middle, anywhere really. It's a little bit different in each spot, so try it and see what you like. Come up into the line in exposure. I'm gonna step out to the side with each foot 5 times. While I do that, I'm gonna raise my arm. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put the weight into the other leg. Notice here, I'm on the ball mounts of my feet, a little bit of energy going down through the heel. Stepping to the side 5 times with the other leg. Whew. 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's level 1. Give that a try, then we move on to level 2. Starting close to the anchor point. We're going to take this across the line. Step with the arms up, come together with the arms down. Remember to breathe, find something to stare at, and relax. Don't have to go fast here, slow and control. So the goal for level 2 is to go all the way across the line and then back. So you're working both sides of the body. It's a little shakier here towards the anchor point. Breathe your way through it. And then switch directions. So to make it smoother, it's really about your transitioning of weight. As I step this leg out, I put the weight onto this foot. Then I transition to both, and then all onto one as I bring this foot back in. The hard part is cueing the arms to go with the legs. Also work with your breath. Step out, inhale, exhale, step in. That's level 2. That wasn't enough, we got level 3 for you. Here we go, level 3. The goal is there and back again, working both sides of the body. It's going to be similar to level 2, except we're going to put a little extra twist in there. Coming up onto the line. You're going to take a step. And then balance all the weight onto one leg. Put all the weight into one leg and balance on that foot. Hold here for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Switch legs. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Take another step. Hold for 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Take another step. I'm going to save you the time on this video, do just another couple demos. But the goal is to go there and back. For level 3. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Take a step. And balance. Think you get the idea? Have fun with this. If you have any questions, send us an email. Till next time. Peace. There and back, remember, there and back, level 3.